Hello my dear students, welcome to Bhadidasnar YouTube channel. Before getting to the topic, 2 minutes information. Shall we start 2 minutes information? Good. Look at these pictures children. What is this? This is a statue of horse. Yes, you have seen in so many places, especially in India, right? Yes. So, look at these children. Can you find any differences from this? Look at here. These are the few statues, horse statues. So, can you find any differences here children? But there is a differences, there is a meaning of these statues. Shall we discuss? Yes children, look at this. முதல்ல பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா இந்த horses ஓட legs. Just look at the legs of statue of the horses. So, both front legs flying in the air. Yes or no? For both front legs flying in the air, அதாவது குதிரையினுடைய ரெண்டு கால்களுமே வந்து பறந்துட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. So what is the meaning of this statue children? Yes, is there some sensible meaning? So அந்த ரைடர் அதாவது குதிரையின் மீது இருக்காரு இல்லையா, ஸோ இவர் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டாச்சு இருக்கக்கூடிய குதிரையின் மேலே உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருந்தவர், he was died during the battle. ஸோ போரின் போது இறந்திருக்கிறார், ஸோ வீர மரணம் அடைந்திருக்கிறார் அப்படின்றது இதோட சிம்பல். ஓகேவா? தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா look at these 4 legs, these 4 hooks on the surface. It just flowing on the surface. 4 கால்களுமே வந்து தரை மேலே பட்டுட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த மாதிரி கால்கள் இருக்கக்கூடிய குதிரை இதன் மேலே உட்கார்ந்துருக்கக்கூடியவர் என்னக்கா இயற்கையாகவே மரணம் அடைந்திருக்கிறார் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இயற்கையான மரணம் அடைந்திருக்கிறவருக்காக இந்த மாதிரி சிம்பல், இந்த லெக்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இதனோட கால்கள் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி படிந்து 4 கால்களுமே வந்து படிந்திருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா look at this children, one front leg up from the ground, one front leg up from the ground, அதாவது கிரவுண்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரே ஒரு கால் மட்டும் வந்து தூக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த மாதிரியான சில சிலைகளையும், அதாவது சில வடிவ குதிரையினுடைய சிலைகளையும் நீங்க பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. ஸோ இதோட மீனிங் என்ன அப்படின்னாக்கா, அந்த போரில் இவர் வந்து காயங்கள் அடைஞ்சிருக்கிறார். ஸோ போரின் போது இவருக்கு நிறைய காயங்கள் அடைஞ்சிருக்கு, போரின் காயங்களால இவர் வந்து இறந்திருக்கிறார் அப்படின்றது அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த ஃபியூ டிஃபரன்சஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்டாச்சு ஆஃப் ஹார்சஸ். ஸ்டாச்சு ஆஃப் ஹார்சஸ், எஸ் சில்ட்ரன், ஐ திங்க் இதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க எங்க ஸ்டாச்சு ஆஃப் ஹார்சஸ் பார்த்தாலும் அதனுடைய கால்களை கவனிப்பீங்க தானே? எஸ். ஸோ நவ் ஷால் வி ஸ்டெப் இன் டு த டாபிக் ஆஃப் த லெசன். டுடே டாபிக், லுக் அட் ஹியர் சில்ட்ரன், ஜியோகிராஃபி lesson number 2 and part 1. Shall we start? Good. First of all, atmosphere. What is the lesson topic children? Atmosphere. Yes, I will write here. A T M O S P H E R E. Atmosphere. So first, what is the meaning of atmosphere? So atmosphere is nothing but the blanket of air, or else the gases which surrounds our earth, the mixture of gases which surrounds our earth is known as atmosphere. So let me know what is atmosphere. What is atmosphere children? Yes, the mixture of gases, the mixture of gases. The mixture of gases which surrounds our earth is known as atmosphere. And there is another meaning, the blanket of air. The blanket, B-L-A-N-K-E-T, blanket of air. The blanket of air which surrounds our earth is also known as atmosphere. So, do you know children, without atmosphere there could be no life on the earth. Okay. Next, so I told no children, mixture of gases which surrounds our earth. Look at these blue color children. Yes, the outer surface which is covers blue color on the line. So that we can say mixture of gases that surrounds our earth. So shall we see the name of the gases which surrounds our earth? For remembering the name of the gases, I have given the clue word NOAC, no AC. Okay children. So there is a some gases, name of the gases which hidden the no AC, the clue word. Okay. So N means nitrogen, and O oxygen, and A argon, and C carbon dioxide. Shall we write, children? N nitrogen, 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 and O oxygen, and A argon, and C carbon dioxide. So these are some gases which surrounds our earth. Okay, children, shall we see name of the gases which surrounds our earth? These are the main gases which surrounds our earth: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and last one is carbon dioxide. So listen, NOAC. For that I given the small clue word for remembering these four gases, children. Okay, or you remember? Good. Trace amount of gases. So what is meaning for trace amount of gases, children? Is nothing but கூடுதலாக. So what is the trace amount? கூடுதலாக. So extra. So already I told no, children. So what I said that name of the very important gases that surrounds our earth. For that I gave a clue word also, isn't it now? So these trace amount of gases, so extra கூடுதலாக அதையும் தாண்டி சில gases வந்து நம்மளோட atmosphere சுத்தி இருக்கு. So அந்த trace amount of gases பத்தி தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, so shall we see trace amount of gases, children? So yes, I know that for trace amount of gases also I have given the clue word here. So what is the clue word, children? H square m and kW. So what is the clue word of trace amount of gases? H square m and kW. Now H square in the sense 2H. Okay, so one H refers hydrogen and another H refers helium, and m refers methane, and N refers, what is that? N refers neon, and K refers to krypton, and W refers to water vapor. Okay, children, shall we write the trace amount of gases? Good. Now look at here. H, hydrogen, and another H, because H is square, no, helium, and next M, methane, 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 and next N for neon, 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 and K for krypton, KRIPTON, krypton, and last one is water vapor, WATERVPOUR, water vapor. Yes, children, shall we remind this? What are the trace amount of gases? Hydrogen, helium, and methane, neon, krypton, and last one is water vapor. So these are the trace amount of gases. For that we have given the clue word for H square m and kW. Good. Shall we go for next, children? Content of this lesson. So what are the content? First, introduction of this lesson, and next composition of the atmosphere. So composition of the atmosphere is nothing but the consists of gases. Which presents in our atmosphere. So first, introduction. Introduction. Do you know, children, which one is very important, children? Atmosphere. So atmosphere is very much important to presence in our earth surface, and this atmosphere is mainly made up of air. That we said already, no, children, name of the gases and trace amount of gases. Yes, these all we can say air. So mainly this atmosphere is completely made up of air. And look at this, children, temperature of atmosphere and density of air both will increases if the temperature of atmosphere and density of air both will increases, then automatically atmosphere, the level of gases will decrease. and as a result is nothing but if the altitude increases, then automatically the temperature of atmosphere and density of air will decreases. And look at this children, what is this? Yes, wind or air. Air, the another name for air is wind. Air or we can say wind, okay. So, look at this children, what is the definition of wind? Yes, the simple definition of wind is the horizontal movement of air which known as wind. So, what is the definition of air children? Horizontal movement of air. The horizontal movement of air is known as wind. So, what is a simple definition for wind children? Horizontal movement of air known as wind. Air moves, yes children, air moves from low atmospheric pressure to high atmospheric pressure. And moisturizing wind, you know very well children. So, always the moisturizing wind, ஈரப்பதமான காற்று. So, always the moisturizing winds brings rainfall at a particular place. Okay. And the next topic is composition of air. Already I told no children what is mean by composition of air? The gases which presents in the atmosphere. Shall we see few gases which is presented in the atmosphere? So, first look at here children, nitrogen. So, how much amount of nitrogen is presented in the atmosphere? Yes, here is given 78%. So, 78% of nitrogen is presented in the atmosphere. And look at here children, oxygen. So, 21% of oxygen presented in the atmosphere and remaining 1%, that 1% is presented carbon dioxide, water vapor and remain all the gases. So, these three presented just 1% in the atmosphere. So, shall I ask how much of percentage of nitrogen presented in the atmosphere? Deepak? Yes, 78%. And how much percentage of oxygen is presented in the atmosphere? Yes, good, 21% and remaining 1% is presented carbon dioxide, water vapor and remaining gases. Yes, thank you very much children. See you on next class. Okay.